Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we're going to demonstrate where the power outlet fuse, okay, also known as a phone charger fuse, is located on 2017 Honda Civic. We have two different fuse boxes, but we'll work in the fuse box that's inside your Honda Civic, guys, right here. On the driver's side, right under the dash, if you look straight up, you will, guys, see a fuse box that looks like that. And that fuse box, guys, is next to the OBD port, right under the dash. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you guys so you can clearly see the fuses. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, which fuse we need to check? If you come in that fuse box, you have 3 rows of fuses. The very first row right here, you have number 1 on it, here number 13, so that's fuse number 1 through 13, 14 through 26, 27 through 39. The fuse that we'll need to check for the power outlet will be fuse number 27, 28, 29. That 29 fuse right here, it's a 20 amp fuse you will need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.